Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to get a QR code for Okta Verify. So if you're setting up Okta Verify on a new device, then just follow along. First, sign into your organization's Okta account using a web browser. And then go to your account settings or security methods and look for the option to set up or re-enroll Okta Verify. When you begin this setup process, Okta will display a QR code on your screen. Now open the Okta Verify app on your phone, then tap Add Account, then choose to scan a QR code. And point your phone's camera at the QR code to complete the setup. And if you don't see a QR code, your organization may require an administrator to reset your Okta Verify enrollment before a new one can be generated. So that was how to get a QR code for Okta Verify. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.